Hello everyone, we are in this amazing coffee estate called the Harley Estate, and we are going to stay in this amazing place called the Golden Wood. So hope you enjoy this tour. I'm going to take you through the entire tour now. So this is Golden Wood. I'll take you through the tour of the entire place on the outside first. We are completely amidst nature. So we're going to the dining area now. So I'll be having lunch here in a bit, but this is the dining area. Marvelous. Now I'll be taking you inside Golden Woods. This is my room.